Harvest po tayo ng patatas. Let's harvest potato. By the way, speaking about potato, do you know that potato is what we call the king of vegetables? Due to its exceptional versatility, affordability, and high nutritional value, making it a globally important and beloved staple food. Its ability to be grown easily, stored for long periods, and prepared in countless ways, from simple boiled potatoes to elaborate dishes, allows it to serve as a fundamental food source of people of all social classes. Potatoes can be boiled, baked, fried, roasted, mashed, or included in a wide variety of dishes in cuisines worldwide. This adaptability makes them a central ingredient in everything from humble subsistence meals to gourmet dishes. Tuloy natin mag-harvest ng patatas. Potato, patatas. Potatoes are rich source of carbohydrates, providing energy and making people feel full. They are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium, and are fat-free, gluten-free, and cholesterol-free. Not only that, because there are also health benefits of this potato, not just a food. Specific health benefits of potatoes. 1. Heart health. The potassium content in potatoes can help regulate blood pressure, and the fiber contributes to healthy cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Next is a digestive health. The fiber, particularly resistant starch, acts as a prebiotic, feeding healthy bacteria in the gut and supporting overall digestive health. Another benefit is the immune system. Vitamin C in potatoes plays a key role in healthy immune system, helping the body fight off infections and maintaining connective tissues, and also brain function. Potatoes provide vitamin B6, which is important for maintaining healthy brain function and neurotransmitter production. That is how important potato in our daily diet. So if you did not know, now you know. So what are you waiting for? Let's eat potato! Ay, harvest pala muna tayo bago nating kainin, kasi ito, nandito pa sa lupa nakabaon. Kailangan nating hukayin para mai-prepare natin sa ating hapagkainan. we harvested for the 1 kilo seedlings that we plant, and it makes maybe 10 times, estimated 10 kilos. We have here this small and this one. So it's worth it. The seedlings that we buy about $11, I think. And here it goes, become times 10. Love it.